So this is Arun here. I have about 8+ years of experience in NetSuite, both on functional and technical end. So yeah, I'd like to have introduction from each of you, and also like what exactly your expectations are with the training.
Hello, this is Rajesh.
Hi, Rajesh.
Actually, I have worked in an electrical field. I have
Okay.
to change my domain. That's why I have to choosing for NetSuite.
Okay. Okay. So Rajesh, over here, see, with respect to NetSuite, we have do you have any idea about NetSuite?
No, actually, my friend has a suggestion for this NetSuite.
Okay, okay. So yeah, we have here NetSuite basically has two ends, functional as well as technical. Okay, technical end helps you do all sorts of customizations wherein scripting will be involved. Okay, to understand technical end, you will have to know the functional end. Okay, so I
Okay.
would suggest you the functional part of the training of the NetSuite first. Okay, and based on that, okay, you can further decide if you want to go for the technical, which is a separate training. Okay, and
Okay.
over there you will be having the prerequisite for that is have knowledge on coding. Okay, for functional there is no prerequisite as such.
Okay.
So yeah, mm, may I know with respect to
Hi.
Yeah,
Okay. Go ahead.
yeah, sorry. So, Arun, this is Prabodh here. So, I have currently 2 years of experience in NetSuite. So, I'm taking this course as a refresher for NetSuite and also to get some more knowledge about NetSuite and about its aspects also.
okay, Prabodh. So I get it. Yeah, certainly. Like I'll look into your requirements.
Yeah, sure.
Hmm.
Hi. My name is Shravya. I worked as a Oracle PL/SQL developer before, and now I'm trying to make my career into NetSuite as a functional consultant.
Okay.
I have basic knowledge of NetSuite. Like I had gone through the videos and all, but not in depth knowledge. So
Okay.
I'm trying to look for more functional aspects itself.
Okay, Shabbos. Shabbos, so since yeah, I mean, since you're from Salesforce background, NetSuite will not be tough for you to take it up and understand the whole
Oh, no, I'm not Salesforce, PL/SQL developer.
PL SQL developer.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. So over here in NetSuite, then you're looking forward for the functional training, right?
right.
Okay, okay, fine. So, thank you everyone for your introduction. Okay, so I will share you the course content now, how our training is going to look like. Okay, and like how we will be going over the training and what the topics that we will be working on. Okay, so I'll be sharing my screen. Let me know once it's visible. Yeah. So can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, so we have about 13 topics over here, okay, in NetSuite, which covers the standard implementation process, okay, the complete end-to-end implementation process. From the vision of the implementation, okay. So okay, and this is like about 2 weeks training, okay, wherein we can connect for 1 hour every day, okay. Yeah, definitely time is not a constraint, okay. So over here we are flexible to stretch beyond an hour, or maybe there could be certain topics, okay, that we may as well finish, okay, uh in less than an hour. Okay, so okay, over here we do not have any such constraints, uh, so we can just go as per your pace and your comfort. Okay, so I've just seen someone joining in, Deepika. Hello.
Arun, can you move the sheet down. Can we see what else are there?
Yeah, I'll go through each of the topic
Oh,
and
sure.
I'll yeah, keep going. Okay. So yeah, the first topic over here will be the NetSuite basics, wherein like first we'll like give you an overview of the NetSuite, okay, and what are the features because of which it is doing well in the market, okay, and then like when you log in, okay, what do you see on the home page, okay, like there are certain things that you need to know, certain navigations that you need to know because of which you'll be like visiting them often, okay, in order to work down on the projects and everything later down the line. Okay, so like we will get you comfortable with that. Okay, then post that the second topic is enable features and set preferences, wherein like there is like feature enabling. This is the first step in the implementation setup of any NetSuite project. Okay, so until unless you don't enable certain features, okay, you can't move forward to do any sort of implementation in NetSuite. Okay, then the third session is classification and accounting setup, wherein like we set up the classification data, wherein like the setting up of subsidiaries, locations, departments, classes happens, and then also some basic accounting setup is done, wherein setup of chart of accounts, opening balances, fiscal calendars, okay, accounting periods, all of the that is done. The this so topic number two and topic number three is the set all about the setup. Okay, okay, until and unless this setup is not done, nothing else, okay, can be done. Okay, nothing else you can like do over here, be with respect to any other process. Okay, then session number four is dashboard and portlets, wherein like there'll be the home page where you'll be having dashboard, okay, and you can sort of see the data maybe in the graphical format, or like there are several other options, okay, wherein you see the data and you can decide how you would like to show the data, and you can decide how you would like to design the dashboard and also like publish it across the users. Okay, so okay, so yeah, okay, that's with respect to dashboards and portlets. Okay, then it is about users and roles, wherein here you will understand about how do you provide access to someone, okay, when they log into NetSuite. So yeah, okay, apart from that, when you provide access, you okay, over here role based access is provided. So there are several roles. There are standard roles where NetSuite offers standard permissions and restrictions. It's not that like anyone whom you give access can access everything. Okay, so there are roles, okay, which have okay, designed with which are designed with certain permissions and restrictions, which you will be understanding up with respect to the standard rules. And apart from the standard rules, you'll also understand about how do we provide access, or how do we create custom roles, how do we design the roles, okay, in order to like narrow down the permissions or restrictions. Then over here, session number six is the file management centers and tabs, wherein it is about okay, like there is a storage repository called file cabinet, which will give you where NetSuite like, gives you some space wherein you can store your files, manage your files there, and all of it. Okay, and apart from that, you'll understand about like how do you create custom tabs. Okay, and how do you associate things under those tabs. Okay, apart from the standard tabs that are present on your home screen. Okay, then session number seven, okay, like will help you understand how do you create custom fields, custom forms, and custom records. Custom records are nothing but tables where like you store in the data. Okay, so apart from the standard things that are available and are provided by the NetSuite, you will also understand how do you do the custom development. Okay, not custom development in the sense not through the scripting. Okay, through the UI, you can create these custom objects. How do you do that is what you'll understand here. Session number eight is data migration, wherein you'll understand how do you import data, master data into the NetSuite. Okay. So like be it your customer data, employee data, okay, your item master data, or your accounts data, okay, all the sort of data, how do you like push it into the NetSuite is what okay will be like shown to you. Then over here, okay, session number 9 and 10 are backbone of any ERP, procure to pay and order to cash process. So yeah, let me tell you, entire training is practical based. Everything will practically done in the NetSuite. Okay, will be done in the NetSuite and will be shown to you. Okay, and every session gets recorded. Okay, soon after the session, you shall receive the recording so that you can have it for your reference later. Okay, and yeah. So procure to pay, like we start from the purchase requisition, a step before purchase order. Okay. So over like from there we go until the payment. We over here we understand about like all the reflections of the inventory reflections, and also all the monetary reflections that are happening. And also you'll understand the return process. Okay. The okay, how do you like how does a product gets returned to the vendor? Likewise, there is order to cash. Okay, starting from the quote until the payment. Okay, we show how the inventory reflection when the inventory is moved out, how the changes of the inventory happen, and or then once the payment is done, like we show you the GL impact and all of it, and how the accounts are affected. Okay, there is a written process to this as well. Then session number 11 and 12 is all about inventory management, wherein you okay like you know get to know and like you get to know about how do you like manage the whole inventory and do the setup. Session number 13 is reports and save searches, wherein you'll understand how do you create custom reports, okay, for any purpose, okay, apart from the standard reports that are already existing, and also save searches. So save search is a tool which helps you search data in the NetSuite, okay, without having to write any code, any queries. Okay, so without having to write any queries, you can search the data, and whatever data you have sought, okay, you can I mean like save it, and you can also create it a report out of it. And the last topic is bundle movement installation, where like all of so okay, how do you move all of your objects and all of your implementation setup developments from your say test environment to the production environment is what you will understand here. So this is with respect to the whole functional course, okay, that covers the standard and implementation procedure of the NetSuite. So I see a couple of people joining in here. So yeah, Nikhil and Deepika. So like, hello, you guys are on mute in case you're talking. Okay, so guys, like any questions or any doubts with respect to this? Hello, am I audible? Hello, hello, Mayuri, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, like, any questions, any doubts?
No doubts.
So
Okay.
do we get to have practice like interface?
Yeah, so with respect to the practice interface and the commercials part, Mayuri will address you on that. She will give you all the details about.
Sure.
So yeah, that's all like we had with respect to demo session. Okay, so any further questions, Mayuri can address it. Okay, and based on that, like people can let us know like about your interest. Yeah, I hope that's okay. Hello.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
fine.
Okay. Okay, guys. So yeah, that's all. So thank you everyone for your time.
Thank you.